Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Melcheski. I will be your instructor for this course, Economics 2501, Principles of Microeconomics. Uh, that as compared to macro looking at more higher level, country-wise, international, micro. We will be involved with some of that, and will include some of what macroeconomics, but it's more on a, let's say, personal level. Just wanted to say hello, kind of go over a few things real quickly with you. Um, I will be posting, or I'm recording this about a week before class starts, so excuse me. But I will be posting some directions, some welcome announcements, and kind of what I expect. We have discussion boards, we will have homework assignments, and we will have some essays to write. So just wanted you to make sure a couple things in general. Discussion boards, you'll see it's kind of a lengthy announcement I put out with every class, especially involving discussion boards and essays. Uh, I want to have a good essay, looking at your initial post being done by Saturday night. And I would like to see some good posts, not one, two, three sentences. That's not a post. Do some research. You could do internet research, the library database, a lot of journals and books and everything like that. Uh, do some research that way. Students usually ask me for a word count. I'm not big on that, but I usually say about 300 words. Responses, I look at about 100, but hopefully you don't count words. You're looking more at just giving your ideas, your opinions, stating facts, things like that. And on the response, the same way. I'm looking for you to basically respond to other students' posts. Agree, disagree. It's a post, a response post is not, "Hey John, you did a great job." "Hey Mary, you did a great job." You can say that, but explain why they did a great job. Uh, Tell us why you agree with them, and you like their. Tell maybe why you disagree. There's no problem with disagreeing with somebody's post. If you do, that's what this discussion is all about. That's how we do business. We don't all agree. We shoot ideas back and forth across the conference table and try to find the solutions to our problems. So, let's go ahead and if there's disagreements, there's disagreements, and that is perfectly fine. The other thing I want to do mention on the homework, there are problems involving mathematical problems. If you can, when you do your problems, show the work, as we've always done in math class. Show some of the work. That way, if you do have an issue, I can go ahead and correct it and maybe give you some partial credit. So please go ahead and do that. Other things I do want to mention, again, back to the essays and that, if you and the discussion boards, if you do use someone else's material off the internet, off a text journal, um, you know, please, you have to have according to APA standards, style or format, seventh edition manual. And, you might want to get yourself a manual. The ebooks are fairly inexpensive, $10 or $12. Um, Please do. That requires, if you're paraphrasing and quoting another source, insight. So where you do it in the body of your paper and also at the reference section, and they must be done in the style or formatting of APA. So make sure you do that. What happens sometimes, students, and also do grammar, spelling checks. What happens many times is that students will write a great paper, and they could be getting 100 for it, but by not properly citing, referencing, um, maybe some bad writing mechanics, they may be getting a B instead of 100. So keep that in mind. Also, in tying in with that is plagiarism. Please make sure that's one of the reasons why you do cite and text. The other thing I have students asking, well, sometimes I don't know if I should or not. Well, in those cases, cite. I always say you can never cite too much. It's better to that. And, plagiarism isn't just always something copy pasting, somebody doing something intentional. Sometimes it does happen, and that's usually when it does is when you're not sure. If you're not sure, I'd go with it and just cite and reference that. So anyway, a quick welcome video. If there's any questions, please email me. I go on my email a few times a day, and text or call me. and that's probably the best because I have my phone on me quite often, most of the day. Have a good day.